Sit down, Reggie.
Dogs aren't just our best friends. Dogs are family. And family deserves more than just one boring taste. New Kibbles and Bits Bistro. Bistro inspired.
Scoot back a little bit, Reagan. Scoot back a little bit.
Spring vegetables and a hint of baked apple.
Walk to Sissy. Walk to Sissy.
New Kibbles and
Not
Bits
Mama.
Bistro.
Go to Sissy. Of course, he loves the Days of Our Lives thing. Walk to Sissy. Oh, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Go to your Sissy.
Go, Bubby.
Yep, right there. Here he comes. Give him enough room to take a couple steps. Uh-oh. Oh. He'll try again. Okay, Reagan, stop that. You're going to make him dizzy. And sit still, honey. Here he comes. Oh, 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 he's walking. He's walking. Oh, that was precious. I got it on video. That was precious. He walked to you. Did you see that? Oh.